If you are looking for an awesome pair of night vision goggles, you're absolutely going to love these. These are award winning. You can shoot up to 4K in these, which is great. You can see 164 feet in the dark. I'm going to walk you through this in a second. You get up to 16 hours of continuous recording, store up to 512 GBs. It comes with a 32 GB, and you also have a C port for easy file transfer. So you'll see right here, everything we got. We got the lens, we have the focus lens, tactile light switch. So directions are really easy on this. You'll see here, this is what it looks like right here. To power this on right here, we're just gonna push that down. Just like that, you see it clicks on right there. And so we're gonna put this up here just like this. You can just kind of see it does a great job picking up. This is just like a little poster in front of me, which is absolutely awesome. You have the different settings up here. You even have a light over here if you wanted to put a flashlight on there, which is awesome. You have that as well. Also comes with this super comfortable strap and this hard case as well. And of course, an amazing direction book. So if you're looking for an amazing pair of night vision goggles that work really, really well, definitely check these out, and a huge thank you to the brand for sending these over so I could do this review.